Ooh.
What you do? You need to do like cinematic around and.
I will when the thing's all unboxed.
All voiceover.
Nah, dude. That's not how they do it on YouTube these days.
Well, hey guys, we got something fun today. This is for my car now, so not the V. Joey's in the back, so we're gonna do this now. And I've never done an unboxing, so it's a learning experience for both of us. I meant to do that. Look at that box. Now what we have here is the very first ACT twin disc clutch that they came out with for the Evos. Oh. Dude, it even comes with all the full spec sheet, Street Organic. Now the new ones are cool because it's a single hub, 2 discs, and they're separate. So if you want to switch up your setup later on, you don't have to change out hubs. Or you could only change out hubs. You don't have to change out the whole piece. Mod Twin, that's what it's called. Something new. We got this box. You throw out. Oh yeah, buddy. I'm excited. I've been waiting for this thing to come out for like 2-3 years now because I didn't want to go Excited like every other Evo boy on planet Earth. And I have the HDSS single plate clutch right now, and I absolutely love it. Look at that bad boy. Dude, part of me doesn't even want to unseal it. It's all pretty and vacuum sealed. The cool thing about this is I don't think, I could be wrong, but I don't think in all the stuff I've been looking for, I haven't seen another sprung twin disc on the market. So this excites me. And plus the fact that it came out like, I don't know, what, a month ago-ish? This is going to be super awesome because we're going to do a full install video. We're going to do a review. I'm going to go beat the crap out of it and see what happens. And that's going to be fun. It's interesting how I got the monolock now. Like, it is just a regular, looks like a regular monolock. It is a regular monolock. Goes in the pressure plate like it would a regular, like an HDSS pressure plate. Oh, I hope this remedies my... So, for you guys that don't know, fun fact. The original clutch that's in the Evo right now may or may not have been used because I was a broke boy when I had to get it. So, it only had like 4,000 miles on it, so I literally took like 5 hours. I used to work at Pet Boys on the weekends. So, I took emery cloth and I sat there and I just sanded it down, because there weren't really dark spots or anything, but it came with a lightweight flywheel. Yeah, sweet. Got a lightweight flywheel, got all this cool stuff. Throw it all together, drive it for a couple months, go to the track, and I realized I just killed all the rotational mass I had on an all-wheel drive car. Great idea, me! So I could not get the thing out the hole, even pushing 460, 470 horsepower on pump gas, and it just, no matter what, like I was running... let's say 255s at the time, all the way around, just on street tires, and it just bog every time. Brought up the 2-step, changed the type of, like how aggressive the 2-step was, a little boost. I even tried slipping it off the line, so it wouldn't leave the way I wanted it to. So hopefully this remedies that too.
Once you take the pressure plates off, you got to put the crank or the flywheel on the crank, torque those bolts, and then start putting all this together, and then you have to line that up inside there.
You're right. See, this is why he's the mechanic, and I just, man the camera, and sometimes Chris is manning the camera right now. Say hi to Chris. It's a real motor. Parts. None of that LS crap you guys like. Garbage.
Alright, I'm done with this now. Now that you said all that.
I do want to take it apart, though, because I want to show how cool the separated hub is.
I know, that's exactly what I wanted to show everybody.
Alright, fine, okay.
Alright, cool. Alright, we'll be back.
monologue. Man, this is the cool thing. This comes off. And the fact that you could just slide this off and it's one single hub. That's wickedly cool. I feel like this is going to make replacing them down the road or upgrading 10 times easier. And 10 times cheaper, hopefully. We shall see. I mean, it's pretty simplistic, man. I'll just slide down. This is the cool part.
That's it right there, dude. Move it around right there in that general area.
That's freaking wicked, though. Like, think about that. Oh, I want an unsprung hub where we pop this whole thing apart, swap this out for an unsprung. Boom, done.
Right?
Boom. There's a flywheel. Yeah, that's a little heavier than the one I got, so this should be good.
Alright, so what'd you learn about it? Any keynotes?
I mean, just the whole design behind it's really badass. Like, I never would have thought, like, the single hub. And all it does is it really just rides the teeth. Like, there's no connection. Like, you get your centering springs for the chatter and to make sure it's all in one spot when you put it back together. But, like, it's wickedly cool. It's funny what you get excited over later in life. Spend $1,400 on a clutch. Maybe, possibly boost performance 2.0 long rod. Short block. Have some fun. Probably shoot for like 700-ish. And, I mean, according to all the specs on the spec sheet, this should hold it in this configuration. But the cool thing is if I need more, boom, swap plates. Boom. Swap this guy.
That is wicked.
I'm excited. You guys will have to tune in next time for the install. Eventually. We end up doing that. So, keep it easy.
Alright, so try to explain where the magic happens and what happens.
Let's see what happens. The thing's on there and it goes real fast. It spins real fast like.